girl to do your dirty work. Working to try and get you off my mind. I know you like to drink till the sun up, grind till you come up, work all winter, shine all summer, ride for your brother, you die for your mother.
Hey Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is LAROSAA with 2 A's, and I'm so happy you guys clicked on this video because today I'm doing a tutorial on the new Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is what it looks like, and guys, creating this look was super fun. I am going to do more tutorials on this palette because one is new, is fresh. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. My eyes with my Tarte concealer in Deep, and I have a free sample, so that's, oops, this is what it looks like. So one thing I like about this concealer is super thick. It's super bright, but that is totally okay. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. Usually I take my powder that I use on my face and I set my eyes. I'm actually not going to do that. I'm going to go in with the lightest shade in the palette, Base, and I'm going to set my whole eye with this super light color. I'm just going to, 1, 2. I can tell like it's powdery, so we're gonna see. Let's see. Why am I like not centered? Sorry. I was going to start off with the pink color Love, but I'm actually going to start with Eccentric, and I'm just going to warm everything up. Just feel like I was super bright. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of just giving me exactly what I need, so it's not dumb bright. Be fine with me. I'm not expecting this color to kind of give me anything else but to just start it off where now I can be confident in the colors and it's not gonna come out too bright and ashy. I'm going to go in with the color Love, this pink right here. I'm just gonna go all over in my crease a little bit above. Okay, there we go. Here the color comes, because I'm like, it's still giving me off this super, it's really because I build up so much. I get so nervous because I don't know if it's gonna come super pigmented, or I just don't know, you know? See, this is really nice. I don't know, like sometimes you guys have that like favorite lid, and then that other lid is like, you suck. You sucky suck. You never blend well. You always looking busted. You make me overdo it because then I think you don't look right. I am going to go in, OMG, with this beautiful color Soul. It's like a brown purple, and like I'm really kind of curious to see it, so I'm just gonna 1, 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in my crease and a little bit below that pink. Okay. So here I am in the crease, but I'm gonna go a little lower, and I'm circling out here, but then I'm just kind of going back and forth here. I don't know about y'all, but your girl low-key feeling it. Get that first coat of product on, then drag it in. Circle. So now that I like the way this is going, I'm going to go in my under eye, and I'm going to take that Love, that pink Love again. Now I'm going in my under eye, but I want to give it a dramatic look, so I'm not going to flatten the fluffy brush like I usually do. I'm just going to keep it super fluffy, and I'm just going to, I want to give some color. So far I'm really impressed with the fallout. It's little to none. Guys, it actually came with the brush, so that's super freaking cool. It's a two-sided brush. It got like it's flat, And then it got this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the brush they gave me, hey, and then I'm going to take the sole with the skinnier side brush, just dab that, just dab it, dab, JK. And then I'm just gonna go right under my eye. I'm kind of gonna focus on the outer corner of my lower lash. So I definitely like that is, you can see the pink and then you can see the blue right under. That's super freaking cute. I love this vibe I'm getting. And it's kind of out of my comfort zone and I'm super cool with that. Because sometimes I feel like I get scared with my clients and even myself. Like blue and pink can't go together. Purple and pink is kind of weird. But now I'm like, yes. I'm taking the, you know, fan favorite, the purple glitter right here. Ooh, that's super pretty. I have a little bit fallout, but hey, who cares that much?
When the stuff is so pretty like this. Ooh, that's cute. Yeah, this is super cute. This is super cute.
So this is super cute.
Say it again. Say something else. Oh!
Wow, child. And I am not gonna put, and I'm gonna go in the inside of the corner. There we go.
Go in again.
I'm feeling this. So now I'm going in with the same purple and I'm gonna go under my eye. I'm just gonna, right there in the inner corner, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna go in with that color of pink. One more time, I'm just gonna go at the top of everything. Kind of want that pink to give me some more vibes. Try to see if I can bring it back. If not, no biggie. Yeah, see, I see a little bit. Now I'm just going to take my Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna wiggle that. I'm going to outline my lips and I'm going to take this brown. It's like a burgundy. Now I do definitely want to stage burgundy pink side to match this, but this is what it looks like. I just sometimes like to use a dark lipstick to outline my lips instead of an eyeliner. It just depends on what I'm feeling. Oh, already screwed up. Talking to y'all. Now I'm gonna go in with my lipstick Kinda Sexy by MAC, and it's just kind of like a pink. Okay, I mean, it's cute and all, but I don't know, I just want something a little more natural. So I'm gonna go on my favorite MAC lip gloss in Spite. I literally probably have nothing left. I don't know, I'm a gloss girl. I love, love, love this freaking lip gloss. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do my lashes off camera and I'm gonna come back with the finished look. Holla at your girl, what's up? Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm so happy you guys made it this far to this video. I love you guys so much. If you guys want to see more looks, please comment down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And shout out to all my girls that's here because they're trying to make sure this is worth it to get for themselves, for their clients. I definitely give this an A+ if I want to do this eyeshadow on some clients. I definitely know that most of the time they come in asking like, can I get something natural? But I think with these purples and these, you know, these browns that's in the palette, you still can give off that natural look, but still like super, super flawless. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget, my name is LAROSAA with 2 A's, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Vacate to a place where you could take pictures, post on Insta. Your friends say they miss you, but they don't really miss you.